Hi, my name is Andres Namm, and this is a very short introduction to power analysis. So, what is power analysis? It is a method used to determine a specific sample size for a measurably accurate experiment, and it is used for confidence intervals and hypothesis testing. I will be covering this power analysis for confidence intervals and hypothesis testing separately, as these two experiments have a different nature. So the aim, as I said, is different for confidence intervals and hypothesis testing. So for confidence intervals, we can say that the aim, or why we do power analysis, is to determine the sample size n to achieve a specific width for the confidence interval. So the sample size n and to achieve a specific width for the confidence interval. So in short, what it means is basically, let's say if we have sample size 10 for this arbitrary experiment, this confidence interval will have, let's say, this specific mean and then some interval we with certain percentage assign this mean to be in. So let's say this width of this confidence interval now is 100 if n is 10. And now let's say if n is 100, the sample size is 100. Then in this case, in this arbitrary experiment, all these numbers are made up, but it's just aim is to bring in a point. The width of the confidence interval becomes 5. So the aim now of this power analysis is to determine this n to get a specific width confidence interval. And now I'll speak a little bit about aim of power analysis for hypothesis testing. As I said, it is a little bit different. So here we are trying to figure out the specific sample size to reject null hypothesis with a certain probability if it is false. This probability is called power, and power is the probability of rejecting null hypothesis assuming that it is false. Usually power is said to be 80% or 90%. So it means that in 80% of the cases, if null hypothesis is false, we are able to reject it because it actually occurs, and I will explain this in my deeper dive video. It's possible that although the null hypothesis is false, we are not able to prove it.